Hi, if you're looking to send out a convenient little invoice to your customers for an upcoming job, all you need to do is do the following. If you want to upload your products, click on the products at the top of the menu and come down and you can add a product with the plus button. As you can see here, I've actually created a physical product. You can create a bunch of different types. So you enter the product name. If that's potentially a actual person, you could actually have like electrician on site. It might be an apprentice, so the rate may be a little bit better. And then you could have a description for the person that's attending on site. It can either, as I said, be a physical or a service. You wouldn't need a digital good. And entering a description for the person, maybe minimum 3 or 4 hours on site, charged. Yeah. And so what you would then do is come down, you could upload an image if necessary, probably not necessary for this particular case. There's some additional options for you to come down, obviously the pricing, name, so, electrician, apprentice, and you come down here. It may be a one-time or a recurring billing. If it's a maintenance job that you do regularly, you may charge that person out at 75 and just hit create. So super simple for you to create an additional product. I've created a bulb and let's just go through invoicing the customer. So if we go to all invoices and we want to create a new invoice, simply click on new. If it's a recurring, you can use a recurring template. Let's say it's a new invoice I want to send to a customer. I've got some products in here. You can edit this as you see content. So you can replace your logo by simply clicking and replacing, change your company details, and this will create a template for you for your company invoices. So super handy. Build to, you can actually choose a client. If you have existing customers, you can add those billing details directly in here as well. And of course, if you have items that already exist, like a product, there's our light bulb, and save. We may want to add another item. You might need to actually have a electrician on site. Okay, save. And if that needs to be added as a multiple, you can edit. I didn't actually do that at the beginning, charge 4, but you can. So that's created an invoice. Again, there can be a template of the actual description where you're writing out to the customer and it automatically says, hi customer, and you put in the customer's details. So you would just put in customer name and Lana will automatically populate the customer's name. Please see payable invoice for the quote requested. Lana. Okay, and that's super simple. And they can have obviously the payment button, and that's all created super simple. Click and send, and copy as sent. So I can send that out to the individual. All done in 2 minutes.